Hey everyone, welcome back to Asad Tech and Reviews. Today I'm going to talk about a very smart little gadget that can make your setup a lot cleaner and more wireless. It's called the Yano S850 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. If you ever wanted to show your laptop camera or phone screen on a big TV or projector without using any messy cables, this device is made just for you. So let's check what it does, how it works, and if it's really worth it. When you open the box, you get the small receiver unit, sometimes a transmitter unit depending on which version you buy, and a few cables like HDMI and USB-C for power. The device is very lightweight, around 49 grams, and feels solid for its size. The finish looks nice and modern, and it's clearly built to be portable. You can easily carry it anywhere, whether to your office, classroom, or even outdoors. Now, what does it actually do? The Yano S850 can send video wirelessly from one device to another. It supports two working modes. You can use it in receiver mode only, which means you just plug the receiver into your TV or projector and connect your phone or laptop wirelessly. Or you can use both the transmitter and receiver together for a more stable and powerful connection. This setup works with about 90% of modern devices. It's designed to be plug and play. You don't need to install any apps or connect to your Wi-Fi network. Just plug in, power it up, and it starts working in a few seconds. The company says it supports dual-band 5G and 2.4G wireless, which helps to reduce lag and improve picture stability. It can send video in Full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it can even handle 4K input. Though it outputs in 1080p, the range is quite impressive too, up to 50 meters in open space, which is around 165 feet. And because it uses a USB-C port, you can keep it powered while using it. You might be wondering, why would you even need something like this? Well, think about all the times you needed to show something on a big screen, but didn't have a long HDMI cable, or maybe your setup looked messy with too many wires. This device removes all of that. If you are a YouTuber or content creator, you can mirror your camera's output to a monitor while shooting. If you work in an office, you can send your laptop screen to a projector during meetings, even at home. You can sit comfortably on your couch and stream movie from your laptop to your big TV without stretching cables across the room. It's also perfect for travel because it's small and light. Let's go through how to use it. It's actually very simple. First, plug the receiver into your TV or projector's HDMI port. Then connect the power cable to the receiver's USB-C port. If you are using it in receiver-only mode, you can now connect your phone or laptop wirelessly to it. Your device should detect the receiver automatically, and you will see your screen appear on the TV within a seconds. If you want to use both the transmitter and receiver, just plug the transmitter into the HDMI port of your source device, like your camera or laptop, and plug the receiver into your TV or monitor. Power them both with USB-C cables. Once they are powered, they automatically find each other and connect. You don't have to press any pairing buttons or open settings. It just works. But there are a few small things to remember. If your device doesn't give enough power to the transmitter, you should use a 5-volt 2 ampere adapter for stable performance. And although the company claims up to 50 meters range, that's in open space. If there are walls or obstacles, the range will be shorter. I also tested the performance in different situations. When I connected my laptop to a monitor through this wireless setup, the picture was clear and stable. I played a few fast-moving video clips and games, and I didn't notice any delay. For watching movies, it was perfect. The sound and video stayed in sync. It can decode 4K input, but remember, it shows up to 1080p resolution on your display. For most people, that's more than enough. I also tried using it at distance. With a clear line of sight, it worked smoothly up to around 30 meters. When I added one wall between the transmitter and receiver, it still worked fine. Though a little bit of lag sometimes appeared. With two thick walls, the signal started to drop. But that's expected for any wireless HDMI device. So for best results, use it in open or semi-open areas. What I really like about Yano S850 is how clean it makes your setup look. No more long cables running across the floor. It's great for creators, presenters, and travelers who want a quick and neat solutions. It's also very easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just plug it and it's ready. But of course, it's not perfect. If you absolutely need full 4K output on your big TV, this won't replace a wired HDMI cable. Also, since it depends on power from your device, sometimes you will need an extra adapter to keep it powered during long use. And if you are using a phone, some models might require Bluetooth casting mode or a specific screen sharing option. There are so many creative ways you can use this. You can connect your laptop to a projector during a meeting without running cables across the room. You can use it during video shoots to show your camera's live view on a bigger monitor so your team can see what's happening. You can even take it on vacation, connect it to a hotel TV, and watch your favorite shows from your phone or laptop wirelessly. It's also fun for gaming or movie nights at home. So, after using it for a while, I can honestly say that the Yano S850 makes life easier for anyone who wants a simple wireless and portable way to share screens. It's not a perfect 4K streamer, but for everyday use, presentations, entertainment, and travel. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Asad Tech and Reviews, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tech videos. Tell me in the comments, how would you use a wireless HDMI transmitter like this? Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.